Welcome back to another Let's video for the channel. In today's video, I'm taking you through what is in my hospital bag, and I would like to take you through. So please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, all the good stuff, and let's get right into the video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm taking you through the items needed when coming from delivery. This was given to me by my midwife from the hospital I'll be going to deliver from, and contains a lot of things. This section for the mother, this section for the baby as well. So I have to pack all these things, and I have all these items here in the hospital bag. So let's get right into it. With the mother, let's do the unveiling. Yeah. So for the mother, you have the pad, and they said 4 pieces. There is the quantity. So I have my pads here, 1, 2. The rest are in. About 4 of these. Then they said a delivery pad as well. So this is the delivery pad. This is how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is the delivery pad. I'll open one for you guys to have a look at it. So this is how it looks like. I don't know how it is used, but this is how it looks like. So it's from the pad. Then the nightgown. So we're done with the pad. I'm gonna put it here. And they said the nightgown for the mother, which is here. This is my nightgown. My boots. What do you do? Yeah, so this is it. And then they said Savlon, Parazone, and Savlon and Parazone, 1 each. So why did I even keep the Savlon and Parazone? Okay, sure. So here is the Savlon, and then I kept the Parazone here. So this is the Parazone. Okay, so that aside. And then, oh, mommy, yeah, dear. Old clothes, which is clothes, old clothes, 6 pieces each. The next thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6. These are the old clothes. Okay. And then the plastic buckets. This is my plastic buckets. Yeah. And then the next thing is my shaving stick. They said 1 shaving stick. So let me look for it. I'll show it to you. Yes, the shaving stick is here. is the shaving stick, because I learned some pregnant women don't shave before labor sets in. So when you go and you haven't shaved, the nurses will shave for you. So you better do it at home before before your labor is due. Okay, so the next thing is the Macintosh rubber. This is the Macintosh rubber. It's used on a bed, I think. This is the Macintosh rubber. And then black polythene. I think they need 3. No, they need 4 of the black polythene. So you need 4 of these. This black polythene. Okay. This list, PS, this list varies from hospital to hospital, and I'm sure this black polythene will be used to gather the afterbirth. They put it inside and then we go and throw it somewhere or bury it somewhere. Yes, so the next thing is the Milo milk bread. Yes, you need food. Whilst you be there, you might be hungry, or even after delivery you might be hungry, so you need to take it along the Milo milk bread cup, spoon, 1 each. So I took this Milo and then the milk, okay, just in case, you may never know. And then the next thing is small towels, 2 each. Small towels. Hey, sorry, I didn't show you the cup and the spoon, so I kept the cup and the spoon here in my bucket. So this is my cup and this is my bowl, and the spoon is inside the cup. Okay, so I think I'm set for that. And then okay, so hair nets. You need a hair net. So this is what I get. This is my hair net. Soap sponge and small towels. So I have all of these here in my sponge bag. Okay, so I have my small towels. As you can even see from here. So this is my sponge, and this is my towel. There's my towel, my soap to wash, my soap for bathing is also here. Yeah, so I think that's it. And I kept all in this bag. Okay, so now the next thing, I'm done with the list for the mothers. I'm done. The next thing is, let's get to the baby section. So this is the baby section. Baby, I'm done with the mother. So this is for the baby. Okay, so for the baby, I said 6 cut sheets, 6 of them, 6 cut sheets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and a half, 5, 6. Okay, so I'll put them back. So these are my call sheets, and they said baby dresses. 6 baby dresses. 6 baby dresses. These are the baby dresses I bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 baby dresses. And also diapers. So I got this soft scale diapers and call sheets. I've already shown that. Baby cup and spoon. You need that as well. Baby cup and spoon will be here. This is the baby cup and spoon I got. Child's spoon. The cup and the spoon is here. And the next thing is Vaseline. One Vaseline. The Vaseline. So I bought this jelly, baby jelly, and then they said baby soap. This is the baby soap. Baby sponge, baby comb. Sorry. So this is the baby comb, and then the baby sponge. This is the tiny sponge for the baby. Okay, so we're almost through. We also have the geisha soap. They requested for geisha soap 2, and then baby socks, baby cap, and then toilet roll 2. So let's go with the toilet roll first. The toilet roll, where are thou? Where are thou, oh ye toilet roll? Somewhere. This is my olefin bag 4. So I showed you just a sample. This is the geisha soap 1, and in fact the geisha soap I even bought 2 just in case, 1 for myself and maybe 1 for the baby. And this is the tea roll 2. Okay. 2 tissue papers. Toilet. Or what did they even write? Toilet roll 2. Okay, so what else? Yeah, I think that's basically it. I'm done. You can go through yourself. All these items have been ticked. Yes, so these are the items requested by my midwife for delivery in my hospital, and it varies. Let me add this, that it varies from hospital to hospital, country to country. Even in the US, I learned you don't even have to bring all these things. The government provides. It differs from countries to countries. What we request here in Ghana might be different from what will be requested in let's say Nigeria or a lot of places. So you have to get this bag ready. This is the emergency bag, so that anytime labor sets in, you are good to go. So now that I'm done showing you the pregnancy, now that I'm done showing you what I have in my hospital bag, these are basically it here. Okay, so added this to it. This is the maternity panties, disposable ones. Okay, so you can get it here in Accra or anywhere in the market or any mother care shop. Okay, thanks so much for watching. If you are new, you know what to do. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share. Let me also know from your side the things that you think are not really necessary, or you also include in your pregnancy or your hospital bag, so that we learn from each other, because you might never know. Okay, so these are basically it. I'm here now, coming to repack all these things. My sister helped me, and my sister helped me pack them, but now that's because of you guys, I've unpacked. I have to go through that stress again to pack, or plead with her to help me pack. So bear me in prayers. I hope she helps.